Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? So today we're going to continue with the series of small paintings. I've had a couple of people ask me or comment, hey, does Diamond Art Club make small paintings? And they do. So this is my second one. It's called Pink Daisy Dragonfly. And it's a round. And look how cute this little box is, guys. Okay, so on the side it says scan me to unlock for 10% off. It tells you what's in the kit and how it works, the instructions step by step. So let's open this baby up. Okay, so this is an older kit, so it has an old kit. It comes with a small sticker, and it says Pink Daisy Dragonfly by Deborah Broughton, and it's a round. Okay, and these paintings are excellent. They're perfect size, and they're perfect for beginners or if you're traveling. Okay. They also call them snack sizes, because if you're working on a big painting, and sometimes we get tired of working on a big painting and we just want to take a break from that, so we go and work on a small painting. Okay, so let's open up the kit. Let's see what's inside the kit, the toolkit. All right, so it comes with resealable bags just in case, and it's a lot of resealable bags, by the way, just in case you don't have the containers. And if, like I said before, if you're traveling with this, you could put them in here, the drills. Okay, and it comes with the pen. It comes with a pen grip. This is supposed to help with your fingers, your hands, if you have arthritis. It comes with 2 waxes, heart shape, and it comes with the tray and a placer. Okay, so basically you have everything here, like I mentioned before, if you are traveling or on vacation, you know, you want to take it with you. Okay, all the Diamond Art Club paintings come in this plastic bag, which is perfect, guys, because it protects it while it's traveling. And afterwards, when you finish with the painting, you could actually still put it back in this plastic bag, you know. Okay, so it says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, and I say do what makes you happy. All right, let's open this baby up. God, look how tiny it is. It's so adorable. Okay, the canvas is very, very soft, guys. Okay, and it's designed this way to prevent wrinkling and fraying. All right, so let's get the drills. And by the way, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. Look how cute this is. Pink Daisy Dragonfly. There's a sticker, and it tells you the name of the painting. So if you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to this painting. Comes with the instructions step by step. Okay, thank you, tips and tricks. And it comes also with a big sticker. How beautiful it is, guys. It tells you it's called Pink Daisy Dragonfly by Deborah Broughton. You put down the start date, the end date, and these come with pre-cut individual stickers, so you can put these on the container. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Love the colors on this. And of course we can do this, right? Because it's Diamond Art Club. All right. Look at how adorable this is, guys. Look at the colors on this. All right. So it always tells you do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club on the top. At the bottom, it always has a picture. Pink Daisy Dragonfly. This is 11 inches by 9 inches. So it's very small, guys, but it's perfect. 27.7 centimeters by 22.7 centimeters. Deborah Broughton, Diamond Art Club. Okay, and in the middle, take 10% for 10% on your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. Lifetime warranty. All of Diamond Art Club, they have a 30-day money back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and a 10% cashback rewards with every order. Now, all of them always have 2 legends, all right? So let's look at the legend here. It tells you how many colors this painting has. It has 41 colors, okay? That's a lot for a small painting, by the way. And it has 4 ABs, which is a lot of ABs for this beautiful small painting. Okay, so let's look at it. What do we see? Well, we see a beautiful dragonfly and a beautiful pink well, it's a yellow. It has yellow in the middle, and then it's got like pink, beautiful petals. But look at this dragonfly, guys. If it has all these ABs on it, it's probably going to be very, very shiny, very shimmery the dragonfly. And I love that it has a green body. Love the colors on this painting. So let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. See the dragonfly and the beautiful flower. It's going to look gorgeous. All right, so let's look at the colors very quickly. Okay, let's begin. 208 is lavender, very dark. 210, lavender, medium. I don't know if you can see. 211 is lavender, light. 301, mahogany, medium. 311, Wedgwood, ultra, very dark. And 340 is blue violet, medium. Very little of this one. 600 is cranberry, very dark. 601, cranberry, dark. 602, cranberry, medium. Lots of cranberries. And 603, cranberry. So all these are cranberry. 718 is plum. 740, tangerine. Beautiful colors. 741 is tangerine, medium. 742 is tangerine, light. 743 is yellow, medium. And 744 is yellow, pale. 814 is garnet, dark. 815 is garnet, medium. 823 is navy blue, dark. And 827, blue, very light. 907 is parrot green, light. 912 is emerald green, light. 917 is plum, medium. And 939 is navy blue, very dark. And 995 is electric blue, dark. Electric blue. Cool. 3078 is golden yellow, very light. 3328 is salmon, dark. That's pretty. 3607, plum, light. 3608, plum, very light. 3746, blue violet, dark. And 3766, peacock blue, light. All right, these are the last ones. 3804 is cyclamen pink, dark. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but okay, let's move these up a little bit so we can have more space here, guys. It's absolutely beautiful colors. Wow. Okay. 3815 is celadon green, dark. 3838 is lavender blue, dark. 3843 is electric blue. 3847 is teal green, dark. And 3854, autumn gold, medium. That's pretty. Okay, look how beautiful these colors are, guys. Very, very bright. Okay, so let's move them to the side and let's look at the ABs. We have 4 ABs. That's a lot for a little painting. Okay, so you have 115 AB. It's very, very pretty. It's like a red, pink. And then you have 124 AB. This is like a, it actually is a pink. 138, it's a blue. These are ABs, all ABs. And 141 is white. All right, so let's bring back the painting and let's see where these beautiful ABs go in the painting. All right, so the first one, if you look at the legend, is number 1, 115, wherever you see a 1 here. So I'm seeing it here. It's on the petal. More here on the petal, the petal. So it looks like it's all on the petal, on the petals. Okay. Wow. And then this one's number 2, and number 2 is on the dragonfly. Okay, dragonfly right there. There's some here in the petal. It's like a light pink over here. Okay. And then this one is going to be number 3. So wherever you see number 3, I see 3 here also on the dragonfly, on the wings. It's actually on the wings. That's going to be beautiful, guys. Wow. And then 141 is going to be number 4. And of course, again, it's going to be wherever you see number 4 in the white. So it looks like it's around the petals, and it's also around the wings of the dragonfly, and also on the body. Wow. Beautiful, guys. This is going to be so sparkly with 4 ABs. All right, so that's about it, guys. Give it a try. And by the way, this one's $24.99. Okay, and so I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.